Are you ready to ride one of these? Do you even know how?
Yeah. It's a pedal car.
It's a pedal car, yeah. So mommy on one side and daddy on one side. Where are you gonna be? Alright, so mommy and daddy and Ryan, we are trying this pedal car here.
Turn!
Turn, daddy, turn!
Turning.
Alright, so this is the view that we see. Whew.
I'm pretending to drive.
Yeah, there's 2 steering wheels, but we don't know why. This is just for giggles. It's just for show, right? Just for decoration. Only daddy gets to drive. Hi!
Hi, what are you doing? Turn!
Oh, this is the fastest I can go, Ryan. Oh! You can make a sound too that way. Ramp. Oh, this is a good exercise.
Dang, now you're gonna go down the ramp and you don't need a pedal because you're going down. Whoa, a big cube!
A big Rubik's Cube is in our way. Whoa.
You have to make all of the colors the same.
Oh, and something else is up ahead. Do you see?
Hi, Mr. Potato.
Mr. Potato Head! This is a good photo op moment.
I'm bicycling too.
Whee! Mr. Potato Head!
Kids,
And
look,
Mr.
I'm
Potato-
bicycling too.
Are you bicycling? Where? He doesn't even reach the floor. He doesn't even reach.
Oh, there's like a big tricycle there.
Where? Oh.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa, do you see?
Climb up and slide down.
You can come and slide down? I guess we'll check that one out.
Let's go.
Ryan's excited. Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head first, because no one's there. Do you guys see Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head up ahead?
He's saying like, I want cheese.
Really? That's what he's saying? I want cheese? Whoa, that's cool. It's huge. Cheese. Like, yay. All right, let's go. All right, let's go check out that massive tricycle over there. What's that about?
Nothing bigger than this.
I know.
That's 100. I have this game.
Oh yeah, foosball.
It's easy. Whatever team you want to be, the ball goes through and you cannot get the red team.
I
And
know.
then the red team will kick it back.
Oh yeah, there is a ball. I think it's taller than you. Is it taller than you? Or
Yes.
the same? It is? This ball is taller than Ryan.
But not taller than you.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, Ryan is super tiny compared to it. Look at this. Whoa. Yeah, it's not a slide. I think it's just for decoration. Super huge. Ryan saw Mickey Mouse. Oh my gosh. It's a huge Mickey Mouse and he's holding a phone.
Let's go see that big blue thing, kids.
Okay, let's go. Let's see. We found this big blue thing over there. We're not sure what it is. So we're gonna go check it out. Oh, okay. What is that? It's like a yo-yo or something? It looks like a yo-yo.
It's like a giant wrecking ball.
And who's that? Do you know, Ryan? Do you know who's that?
Donald Duck.
That's Donald Duck? Kids, is this Donald Duck? Oh, we found this awesome car. Cool.
Ouch!
It doesn't open.
What kind of car?
I don't know. Mommy don't know her cars, so I have no idea what car it is.
This looks like a red Lamborghini.
Is it? Okay, Ryan. Daddy's over there. Do you see Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, whoever reached Daddy first wins, okay?
I'm
What?
going this way.
Go! Ah! Oh no, Ryan's winning. Let's catch up, let's catch up. Oh. Whew.
There's the water.
Yes, of course.
Ah!
Just kidding.
Dad, we saw that blue one.
Yeah, we saw this blue
Oh, you came all the way
and
here?
green yo-yo. We're back. It's right there.
We're back.
It's up ahead.
It's okay, Daddy. Just a little more.
Yes, we are done.
I'm done.
Yeah, we are done.
Okay.
Alright, so we found this awesome arcade.
This is so cool.
It's cool, I know.
It has the coolest song ever.
Are you driving?
Truck driver Ryan.
Whoa, careful.
Pull her out to honk the horn. Oh no, time is up.
Whoa, 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 whoa. The jump off.
Time is up.
Uh-oh. Get the windshield.
Time is up.
Wait, why are you going back first? Oh.
I don't know why.
Yes. No.
To play this game, you gotta press all the buttons that light up.
You know how to do it? Oh, Ryan, right there, in front of you. One more time. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Hey.
Mommy's gonna come in. What do I do? Just press this?
Yeah. Still going? Wow. That's it. 40.
That's 4. High five. Yeah.
It's Ryan versus Daddy.
Whoa, what you guys playing?
Which motorcycle you want, Ryan?
I'm close to you. Daddy, I'm close. No, you didn't. Wait, good.
Get your friend.
I don't get it.
Oh, you cannot get it?
Daddy, you still can't get it.
Oh, boom.
Ooh.